Good day, this is GoldSilverInvestigator.com on February the 28th, 2012. We've got a slow stochastic indicator showing us that copper, bonds, euro and yen are heading up, confirming that, and confirming that gold, dollar, oil are pointing down, and giving us a warning about silver and the Canadian dollar. So if I head to the charts now, here's the gold chart and daily gold chart, and back from December we've had a very nice rise, and just in the last 4 or 5 days we've sliced through resistance at 1760, this level here, and we're now at the 1780 level, and the previous resistance at 1760 is providing a nice support, and of course further down here we've got even stronger support at the 1720 level. So that is looking good. On the 15-minute chart we can see from last night, basically 10 o'clock or so in the evening, we've had a very nice uptrend from there. And what's also interesting is the volume. Going back to the daily chart, you see in the last 3 or 4 days that the volume for gold down here has been decreasing, which doesn't confirm a downward trend in the price. So could be likely to head back up again. Be careful though, because we do have the slow stochastic indicator showing us that we're pointing down here. But as I said, we've got the support at 1760 and far stronger support at 1720 below that. And of course we'll have resistance if we head up higher from here at 1800, where we were out here before back in November. Going on to silver. Silver also looking good. Nice uptrend here. Last 2-3 days we've been stalled at the 35.5 level. We sliced through that very nicely this morning. I'll go to the 15-minute chart and you can see that here. Come on, go to the 15-minute. There we are. And as of 6 o'clock this morning, we really came up through the 35.5 level, which had been providing some resistance there, and we've hit the 36 just about here. So that's looking good. And well, another thing that's interesting is the volume on silver. Take a look at this. If from the beginning of January you take a line and you take it over the volume here, this is the black bars here of the volume, you can see it being an uptrend, which very much confirms the uptrend in the price. So one could expect this to go higher here, even though we've been given a signal here by the slow stochastic indicator. And let's go back to the previous page because that shows it to us in a bit more magnification, that the lines are crossing. They haven't pointed downwards, so just be wary of that. But with that price uptrend and the volume being confirmed, things are looking good. So going to the US dollar and a confirmed downtrend. We've got our downtrend here, and if I drew another line in here, I'll actually update these on GoldSilverInvestigator.com with the chart lines, but there'll be a par downtrend line here, and as you can see the slow stochastic indicator is pointing downwards. Both lines are pointing downwards here, so still likely to go further down here. Dollar getting weaker, which is a good time for the precious metals. Bond market, we're bouncing as normal between 141 and somewhere around the 145 mark, currently up at 144. According to the indicator, still heading up. So that's what's happening there. Light crude. This is the on again, off again war footing. We've been since the talk with war with Iran. Price has been going up and up, and in the last 2 or 3 days, it started to break downwards, and the indicator's showing it down, heading down as well. And Dr. Copper, we're in an uptrend here, also shown by the indicator pointing up as well. So, for more information, please join our mailing list at goldsilverinvestigator.com, and there you'll be able to instantly access important analysis and information about the gold and silver markets. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Good day, this is Peter from goldsilverinvestigator.com with an update on gold and silver in readiness for trading on Friday, February the 24th, 2012. On the daily gold chart here, you can see how we've sliced through resistance at 1760. We're currently at 1780, and the next resistance level is at 1800 right here. The 1760 level now is providing support. And on the weekly chart of gold, you can see that $1,800 resistance level right there. Going to silver, we've sliced through 34 at last, a barrier at 34, and we're now up against resistance at the 35.5, 36 level. And you can see that also clearly on the weekly silver chart. Here we've got 35.5, 36 level resistance that we're butting up against right now. And once we get through that, assuming we do, then the next level is at 38. The Huey, now this looks like a complicated chart, but in reality it's not. I'll show you how I constructed it. Internal trend line here, the blue line, taken from a high over here back in April 2008, high here in November 2009, and now we go to the lows here starting in about July 2010 and coming over here. So for the last year and a half, this blue line has provided the lower range for the Huey. Each time it's got down here or here or here or here, it's bounced off of it the next day. That's been very helpful for trading. And the red line from the peak here in December 2009, peak over here, here. So that's defined the upper range of the Huey. And of course, these smaller ones, I've blown these up in the next slide, are the channels, which you can see right here. As you can see, the smaller channels here, and those have also been helpful for trading. Please join our mailing list at goldsilverinvestigator.com to get free technical analysis videos and training now. I'm putting up videos on training, showing you how to do technical analysis. Once you've fundamentally decided that a stock is the right one to purchase, you can use a technical analysis, and I'll train you how to use it for free so that you know how to, if it's a good or a bad time to buy a stock. So please sign up at Gold Silver Investigator now. Thank you and have a good day.